How to replay a disappearing photo or video on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Instagram, then go to the message section. Here you can see there are two photos I've got that are in disappearing photo or disappearing method. Now in order to view these, all you have to do is tap on the view photo, and here you can see, since this is a view once photo, I cannot watch it again. But this one is allow replay photo. Now as you can see, I get one more chance to replay it. But what you can do is simply take a screenshot, and then you will be able to watch it again and again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.